Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Have you ever thought about what the future holds for you? What are your plans, your goals, your dreams? These are questions we all ponder, aren't they? We all have aspirations, dreams, and goals that we want to achieve. Some of us dream of getting a higher education, some of us want to find an interesting job, while others aspire to travel the world, immersing themselves in diverse cultures. Each of us has a unique journey ahead, charting our own path towards these dreams. Setting future plans and goals is not just about dreaming, it's about taking control of our lives. It's about deciding what we want to do, where we want to go, and what we want to achieve. It's about paving our own path towards our dreams. So today, let's embark on an exploration of one such journey. Let's delve into one person's journey towards achieving their future goals. Meet Sarah, a young woman with dreams as big as the sky. Sarah's not your average dreamer. Her dreams are tangible, crystal clear, and they ignite a spark in her that's impossible to ignore. Sarah's first dream is to pursue higher education. She yearns for the knowledge that books provide, the wisdom that professors impart, and the camaraderie that comes from being part of an academic community. She dreams of diving into the world of medicine, of becoming a doctor who makes a difference in people's lives, who heals and comforts. But Sarah's dreams don't stop at the classroom door. She also dreams of traveling the globe, of immersing herself in the vibrant tapestry of cultures that paint our world. She dreams of meeting new people, tasting exotic foods, and learning languages that roll off the tongue like music. Sarah's dreams may be lofty, but they are not impossible. Every dream requires a plan to make it a reality. Sarah understands this well. She knows that her dreams of becoming a doctor and traveling the world are not going to come true by magic. It's going to take a lot of hard work, dedication, and strategic planning. So, what's her plan? First, let's talk about her academic aspirations. Sarah is fully aware that to become a doctor, she needs to get into a good university and study medicine. She is currently in high school and is already working hard to ensure she gets the best grades possible. She spends countless hours studying, revising, and preparing for exams. She knows that every test she takes, every assignment she completes is a stepping stone towards her dream of becoming a doctor. Sarah also takes part in extracurricular activities that will give her an edge when applying to universities. She volunteers at a local hospital to gain first-hand experience in the medical field. She's also a member of the science club at school, where she gets to learn more about human anatomy and other medical-related topics. Now, let's move on to her dream of traveling the world. Sarah has a piggy bank where she saves money for her travels. Every month she sets aside a portion of her allowance for this purpose. She also does odd jobs during her free time, like babysitting or mowing lawns, to add to her travel fund. Sarah knows that traveling is expensive, but she also believes that it's an investment. For her, traveling is not just about seeing new places, it's also about learning new things, meeting new people, and experiencing different cultures. She's also researching about scholarships and grants that could help fund her travels, especially those related to her field of interest. Sarah is determined to make her dream of traveling the world a reality. Just like her dream of becoming a doctor, Sarah is determined and ready to work hard for her dreams. She knows that dreams don't just come true, they require hard work, and she's more than willing to give it her all. The journey towards achieving our dreams can be tough, but it can also be rewarding. Sarah's journey towards her dreams wasn't always smooth sailing. There were moments of self-doubt, there were challenges, but there was also determination and an unwavering belief in her dreams. She was juggling two worlds at once. On one hand, she was a dedicated student, eager to soak up knowledge and prepare for her future career. On the other, she was a part-time worker trying to save up for her travels. Time was a scarce resource, and Sarah had to learn how to manage it effectively. She started to plan her days meticulously, setting aside time for studying, working, and also for much-needed rest and relaxation. But the journey didn't stop at time management. Financial challenges were another hurdle that Sarah had to overcome. She wanted to see the world, but traveling requires funds. Sarah had to save diligently, cutting back on unnecessary expenses and putting every extra dollar into her travel fund. It wasn't always easy. There were times when she had to forego the small luxuries in life, like a fancy dinner or a new pair of shoes, but she knew that every sacrifice was a step closer towards her dream. Then, there were also the emotional challenges, the fear of the unknown, The anxiety about whether she was making the right choices, the loneliness she sometimes felt when her friends were out having fun while she was at home studying or working. But Sarah didn't let these feelings deter her. Instead, she used them as fuel to push herself further. She faced her fears, embraced the anxiety, and used her loneliness as a reminder of why she was doing all this, to achieve her dreams. She knew that the journey was just as important as the destination, and she was determined to make the most of it. Through all the ups and downs, Sarah remained focused and determined. She knew that the road to achieving her dreams wasn't going to be easy, but she also knew that it would be worth it. Sarah's journey is a testament to the power of determination and hard work. So, what can we learn from Sarah's journey? This tale of aspirations, planning, and perseverance offers several valuable lessons we can all take to heart. Firstly, we've seen how essential it is to have a dream. Sarah's dream wasn't just a vague wish, it was a clear vision of her future. She wanted to become a doctor, a goal that drove her every decision. She desired to help people, to make a difference in their lives, and she chose a path that would allow her to do just that. This shows us the importance of having a clear, concrete goal that we can strive towards. Secondly, Sarah demonstrated the power of planning. She didn't just dream of becoming a doctor, she made a detailed plan on how to get there. She knew she needed a higher education, so she figured out what steps were necessary to achieve that. She studied hard, applied to medical schools, and persevered even when things got tough. Her plan didn't just guide her, it also motivated her to keep going, reminding her of the path she had set for herself. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, Sarah's journey highlights the importance of hard work and determination. Despite the challenges she faced, Sarah never gave up. She knew that achieving her dream wouldn't be easy, but she was willing to put in the effort. She studied late into the night, she pushed through the difficult classes, and she never lost sight of her goal. Her unwavering determination is a testament to the power of perseverance. Sarah's journey is an inspiring example of what we can achieve when we have a dream, make a plan, and work hard to make it come true. Her story is a reminder that our future is shaped by the choices we make and the effort we put in. So let's take a page from Sarah's book. Let's dream big, plan carefully, and work tirelessly to turn our dreams into reality. Remember, your future is in your hands, so what are your plans?
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, My Future Plans, at Level A2. Goal. Goal, a desired result a person plans and commits to achieve. Example, my main goal for the next year is to improve my English skills. Career. Career, a commitment to a profession which requires training and offers progression. Example, I plan to start a career in graphic design because I enjoy creating art. Travel. Travel, to go from one place to another, typically over a distance of some length. Example, one of my future plans is to travel to Japan, I'm fascinated by its culture. Learn. Learn to gain knowledge or skills through studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. Example, I want to learn how to play the piano as part of my personal development. Achieve. Achieve, to successfully reach a desired objective or result by effort, skill, or courage. Example, I hope to achieve a better balance between work and my personal life.
Thank you for watching. Like, write a comment of more than 4 words to support us, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Goodbye.